Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to techtuto. Today in this video we will discuss on proxy and VPN in most simplest and understandable way. So let's begin. The proxy came from an English word called procuracy, that means authority to act in behalf of another. You may have heard like he sent a proxy to give a speech in behalf of him. So in computer network, proxy is a server or a device that acts on behalf of another device. Let me illustrate this thing so it can be easy to understand. Suppose a student wants to connect with the Facebook, but the school authority set the firewall to block the IP of Facebook, cause a domain name also assign an IP address. If you want to know more about it, you can check this video from the card. Now, if the student wants to connect with the proxy server, he or she can do it very easily, cause firewall will not block the IP of that proxy server. Now the student can ask to the proxy about his or her desired website, and the proxy will pass away all the data in between the student and the website. As proxy passes all the data, proxy can steal confidential if it is not that much of trustworthy. This can be a big disadvantage of using a proxy. Now if we talk about VPN, VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it is the method to give security and privacy to the private and public networks. VPN is commonly used in big companies, but nowadays is also gaining the popularity amongst in common people too. Now if we talk about security and privacy, VPN can give us complete anonymity, depends on the provider if they has no log policy or simply they don't track record whatever website we are visiting. For better understanding the VPN, let's illustrate this. If anyone wants to connect with any website using VPN, first their connection goes through a VPN server, same as like proxy, but they also provide tunnel throughout your connection, so no one can steal your data. And if the source wants to trace you back, they will end up with the IP of that server and your location will be completely untraceable for them. So this is a quick view of proxy and VPN. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.
After all is said